Hi friends, this is Akram. Welcome to my YouTube channel Machine Learning and Deep Learning using Python. Today we are going to discuss very important topic here. It is called Framework for Developing Machine Learning Models. Framework is nothing but we need to follow step by step to develop our machine learning model or any machine learning project. Here we have the 5 steps to be understand. The step 1 is problem identification, and step 2 is feature extraction, and step 3 is data pre-processing, and step 4 is model building, and step 5 is deployment. These are the steps we need to follow while developing our machine learning model or machine learning project. Yeah, coming to problem identification. What is problem identification here? I have given here very clearly, you can understand very clearly here. Here what the problem identification is, organization to define the problem clearly. Organization should define their problem clearly to the developer. Domain knowledge is very important at this stage of project. We should know the domain knowledge before developing this project. Domain knowledge is nothing but it is like a retail domain, or it may be a healthcare domain, like this. Here next, problem definition or opportunity identification will be major challenge for many companies who do not have capabilities to ask right questions. Right. While discussing with the business user, we need to clearly clearly look about our problem identification. So here we need to follow completely, we need to study the business of the business user who is client. And coming to next, here future extraction. Once the problem is defined, after the first step problem was defined, it was defined, and the project team should identify and collect the relevant data. The project team should collect the data. This is an iterative process since relevant data may not be known in advance in many analytics projects. The existence of ERP and CRM systems will be very useful at this stage. At this stage, we are using ERP and CRM systems for extracting the data. In addition to the data available within the organization, they have to collect the data from external sources. From outside also, they need to get the data. Quality of data is a major impediment for successful machine learning model development. While developing our machine learning model, there we should the data should be very clear. If otherwise the data is not clear, we cannot build our machine learning model. It won't be success. Next, coming to data pre-processing, what we need to do, what are after taking the data from the business user, what we need to do. This would include data cleaning and data imputation and the creation of additional variables, future engineering such as interaction variables and dummy variables. After taking the data, we need to clean the data, we need to make some imputations, and if we need to add some variables, and we need to add some dummy variables for that if required. So this is all called as data pre-processing. We need to process our data, then after we need to build the model. It is called building the model. Machine learning model building is an iterative process that aims to find the best model. It is an iterative process means we need to go on doing for getting a best model. Several analytical tools and solution procedures will be used to find the best machine learning model. To avoid overfitting, it is important to create several training and validation tests. We need to train our model, we need to train our model, and then we need to validate the data sets. We need to train up to when we get the best model. Up to that time, we need to build our model. After model building, we are going for deployment. Deployment is nothing but it is in the production. Whatever the thing we have done and developed, which will be in the development deployment mode, their end user can access that. The primary objective of machine learning is to come up with the actionable items that can be deployed. Yes, the communication of the machine learning algorithm output to the top management and clients play a crucial role. innovative data visualization techniques may be used in this stage. Here we need to use some data visualization techniques for the end user or the business user can understand our problem and understand the his business, and he can give more inputs. This is all about our framework. So please guys, do subscribe, please support the channel and like the channel, share and comment and click on bell icon. Why? Because when I am updating new videos, it will prompt you to for new videos. Thank you.